Unboxing relaxation. Discover the magic of relaxation in a box. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of English phrases and idioms. Today, we're diving into a very interesting expression: relaxation in a box. Whether you're a seasoned learner or just starting out, understanding these phrases can enrich your language skills and cultural knowledge. So, let's get started and uncover the magic behind this expression. Relaxation in a box is a metaphorical phrase that paints a vivid picture. At its core, it represents any product, service, or experience designed to provide complete relaxation and peace of mind to its user. Imagine being able to open a box and, voila, all the stress and worries of your day disappear. That's the essence of this phrase. It's not about a literal box, but the idea that relaxation can be conveniently accessed, almost as if it were a tangible item you could keep on your shelf. So, what could be considered relaxation in a box? There are numerous examples. Aromatherapy kits with essential oils that calm the mind. Subscription boxes filled with spa products, like bath bombs and scented candles. Meditation apps that guide you through relaxing exercises. Comforting music playlists or sound machines designed to help you sleep. Each of these can be seen as a box that, once opened, brings relaxation and tranquility into your life. How do you use this phrase in conversation or writing? It's perfect for describing anything that promises and delivers a slice of peace and relaxation in our hectic lives. For instance, after a long day, you might say to a friend, "This yoga app is my relaxation in a box. It's just what I need to unwind." It's a versatile phrase that can add color and expressiveness to your English, especially when talking about ways to relieve stress and find calmness. Relaxation in a box is more than just a phrase. It's a concept that resonates with the desire for peace and tranquility in our busy lives. By understanding and using such expressions, you enrich your English communication and connect more deeply with the nuances of the language. We hope this video helps you on your journey to mastering English, and remember, finding your own relaxation in a box is key to balancing the stresses of daily life. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.